Hello friends, as promised, on this video I will show you how to make a magic circle. Using one hand, hold shorter end of the yarn with your thumb, as shown on video. Use the long end, which is your working yarn, wrap it around your fingers. This will form an X. Now slide your crocheting hook as shown and hook your working yarn. Yarn over. Hook it again. You are left with a circle, your shorter tail to the side and your working yarn on the other. To work on your first row, single crochet your stitches as many as you like, on your circle. Now make sure your stitches are not too tight as shown on the video, that way the hook can go through. It's important to learn how to crochet a magic circle, if you like to crochet cute stuffed animals, as this usually is the first step. You will see that my shorter yarn is inside the stitches on this first row. That yarn is needed to tighten the circle at the end of the row and nothing else. Again, it's important that you have that yarn inside your stitches, otherwise you will not close the circle. As you can see, I use that tail to tighten the circle. I completed this magic circle quickly just to demo, but I will slowly show you again in a minute. Tighten the circle as much as you like. Single crochet that last stitch to complete the magic circle, and it is that easy. Feel free to rewind the video if you're missing anything. This is the method I usually use on my videos, but if you find it difficult to follow, I will show you another method shortly. But before I do that, while we are on this method, let me show you what not to do. If you do this, your circle will not close. Let me take this one apart. This time, I will do the same method, but note I'm using the shorter tail to wrap it around my fingers to create my X shape. This does not work, and I will show you why. As you can see, my shorter end is now positioned to the right, away from the direction of my stitches. I'm not able to naturally hook around it with my stitches. I will proceed with my single crochet stitches, and if I miss that yarn I will not be able to close my circle. Let me show you what happens. Let's see what happens when my row is completed, when I pull the shorter yarn to close my circle. It does not move to tighten it. So make a note of this at the beginning. First method again. My shorter yarn is inside my stitches. Pull it gentle. Second method. If you think of it, you are really starting off with a slip knot. It's just a loose slip knot. So let me show you the two methods and you see that for both, you end up with a slip knot. Then you pick which of the two works best for you. Second method, make a loop. This will create an X shape, cross over the working yarn, and pull it inside the circle as shown. Going back to the first method, you will see that you also end up with a loose slip knot. So do whatever method works best for you. With both methods you end up with a slip knot. So which of these two methods seem easier for you? Comment below. 1 or 2.